Good morning. Coming to you this morning about this oil right here. This is conventional 5W30. This one here is premium conventional 5W30. Just the older bottle. Some of your parts stores will have these conventional oils marked at $29.99 for 5 quarts. And then they want almost $9 for a 1 quart bottle. They say that they're going to price match. Walmart carries these all the time for $17.99. And that's not a sale price. That's a $12 savings. So everybody with a smartphone out there, you can be standing right at the counter and look that up and say, hey, you're going to price match this, right? They say that they're going to price match it. They can price match it. Keep $12 in your pocket. $12 is $12. This is getting a little bit out of control here. Marking these bottles up, $12 more than you can get them someplace else. Y'all have a good day. Do some price matching and save you some money. Be safe out there. We'll see you around. Thank you.